Artificial intelligence. It's the buzzword of sci-fi movies, but it's already a reality in a computer program called Watson. More than a search engine, Watson can think for itself, or himself. It shot to fame 5 years ago as an American television quiz champion. Now Watson is in Australia, turning the power of cognitive computing to business problems here. Emily Stewart reports.
This is Jeopardy, the IBM Challenge.
This is US game show Jeopardy with a twist. In 2011, the game's best players took on the world's smartest computer, Watson.
The category is 19th century novelists. Now we come to Watson, who is Bram Stoker.
The computer won. Watson is IBM's billion-dollar baby, named after the company's first chief executive.
So it's a computing technology that can think.
Watson's being hailed as a huge breakthrough, but it only has a small footprint, with hardware the size of 3 pizza boxes. Its brain lives in the cloud, and it's described as Google and Siri put together. Built on decades of computer research, scientists are calling it the start of the cognitive era.
Watson?
4 years on, quiz champion Watson has arrived in Australia and is being used to deliver a competitive advantage across industries.
We're seeing early adoption in financial services, we're seeing early adoption in industrial applications, and we're seeing early adoption in security and government.
IBM has opened a centre in Melbourne to allow clients to use the program, one of just 7 centres globally. ANZ Global Wealth is using Watson to provide individual financial advice. Engineers at energy company Woodside are using it to gain insights from past project data, and Melbourne's Deakin University is the first in the world to put Watson to work in the education industry.
Watson will appear as a solution, as a bridge between that massive amount of information and the proper solution to innovative problems.
80% of the world's data is unstructured, but Watson is able to bring order to that chaos, mining the data to think and problem solve. In healthcare, Watson is the computer with a good bedside manner. It's being used to design individual treatment plans for patients.
It's easy for the clinician to see what is the highest recommendation, which is a green, for this patient, not for all patients, for this patient married around their attributes.
And unlike other computers, it learns from its mistakes.
Watson is like a person. Watson is exposed to knowledge but needs training, needs explanation, needs direction to be better.
And while artificial intelligence is changing how we solve problems, not everyone is a fan. A high-profile group, including Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk, signed an open letter warning of the dangers of intelligent machines.
Open the pod bay doors, Hal.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
I'm increasingly inclined to think that there should be some regulatory oversight maybe at the national and international level, just to make sure that we don't do something very foolish. With artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon.
Despite that warning, it's still early days for the regulation of cognitive computing. In the meantime, Watson is breaking new ground and hopefully delivering the right answers for its business masters.